Dumela Botswana, my name is Tidimalo Manje. I am 27 years of age. I proudly come from Dagwi village, a small community that has taught me the power of hope, resilience, and dreaming beyond circumstances. I hold a bachelor's degree in counseling and I currently practice as a guidance and counseling teacher. I am passionate about empowering young people through mental health advocacy and personal development. I want to be remembered as a woman who leads with purpose, compassion, and authenticity. Beyond the crown, I want people to know that I used my voice to inspire hope, uplift others, and remind every young person that their background does not define them. My greatest achievement would not be winning the title, but leaving people believing more in themselves because they have encountered me. As Miss Universe Botswana 2027, I want to champion youth empowerment, particularly by equipping young people with confidence, life skills, and access to opportunities that allow them to reach their full potential. I also want to create sustainable, safe spaces where young people feel heard, supported, and empowered to prioritize their mental well-being. Botswana has incredible talent, and I want to help build a generation that believes in its ability to lead, innovate, and make positive impact both nationally and globally. My story is one of resilience, growth, and choosing purpose over circumstances. Like many people, I have faced challenges that tested my strength, but I refused to let those experiences define me. Instead, they shaped me into a woman who embraces authenticity, leads with empathy, and believes that every setback can become a stepping stone. What makes my journey unique is not that it has been without obstacles, but that I have allowed every experience to deepen my character and strengthen my commitment to saving others. I stand here not as someone who has all answers, but as someone who continues to grow while inspiring others to do the same. I am truly honored to be Miss Universe Botswana contestant 2027. Your support will be highly appreciated. Thank you.